What's up, you guys? It's your boy Namir Balu. Today I'm going to be watching birds cursing. I don't know why, but while my friend outside we were playing like basketball, they told me, yo, you gotta watch birds cursing. And I was like, what? And he talked about the birds that be talking. I was like, okay, like the parrots. So I was like, okay, I should definitely watch them. By the way, like, subscribe, comment my channel. By the way, subscribe. Otherwise, and by the way, I did put out the Minecraft rap battle. Okay, so if you wanna watch that, go on my channel, Namir Butler, and subscribe or watch. The link will be in the description down below. Let's do this.
What's up, Madge? What's up, Madge?
I don't know what he did just say that. What the?
Watch your profanity. Fuck him. Fuck him. Fuck him. Fuck him. Fuck him.
I can hear him. No. My bird like that in there curse.
What did you say?
Goodbye.
You're a naughty bird. You're a fucking old bastard.
Goodbye.
What do you call me? Come here. Fucking old bastard. Oh, you're a naughty bird. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goddamn fucking son of a bitch. Goddamn fucking son of a bitch. Goddamn fucking son of a bitch. Goddamn fucking son of a bitch.
Meet Santos. Profanity.
Hey, that's not nice, is it? You're a twat. Bollocks. Shut up. I don't know.
Say naughty. You're being naughty. You're being naughty. You're being naughty.
That's funny. You are a filthy mouthed bird.
Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness. That drum was so funny. Okay. Oh my god. If y'all want me to do something else, the link will be. Comment me. Subscribe to me. Share, love, like, subscribe. Talk to y'all all later. Deuces.